Yo, what's going on YouTube? I got another review and unboxing. So this one comes from Born Real Jewelry. I've worked with them before. They're pretty good. They got some pretty fire pieces. So I think they sent me a pendant and it was pretty sick. So I'm like, yeah, just send it over. But I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox it. Super excited. Freaking pendant for my one of my chains. So here it is right now. Just unbox it and see what's inside. This right here is gonna be a custom Moissanite pendant, diamond tester certified, 925 silver. So it's a pretty solid piece. I'm excited to see how it comes out. So like always, the box is pretty secure, very well taped, no problem so far. Like usual, I'm gonna diamond test, shine test, weigh test, all that stuff, so that you guys know what you're buying too. Because I'm all about transparency when it comes to reviewing jewelry. Struggling a little bit over here, but yeah, I'm really excited to see this custom pendant by Born Real Jewelry. They've worked with some clouded people on Instagram, so they're getting their name out there. They're a solid company for sure. They've always been trustworthy and everything. Here we go. Here it is. Boom. You got more bubble wrap, so super secure packaging. All right. So right out the box, looks, right out the box, looks like I got a shirt, the piece, and then some cards. So I'm really excited to see this stuff. Once again, thank you, Born Real Jewelry. Super excited to see what's going on. So normally when you get any type of jewelry, you'll get like some cleaning stuff. So this is just a silver polishing cloth, not much to see here. This looks like a thank you. I love that. It says, "Dear Nate, thank you for your support all the time. Best wishes, Misty." So thank you guys so much. I want to see what's going on with this shirt though. Oh my god. Oh, that's sick. Look, it says Born Real. It's got a picture of this guy. It says MC Born Real. I like that. Thank you so much. Alright, so now let's get to this piece. It should be a Moissanite pendant, cross pendant. It should be able to fit one of my chains, so it should look good under the sun. And the sun's out right now, so this is a perfect time to just have a first look at this pendant. So here we go. I always like the boxes that they use. It just slides right out when you pull this tab. Yes, look at that. What a cool pendant. And it even says Gonzo on the back. That's pretty sick. All right, I gotta take it out and show you guys real quick. So here's the first look at it. This thing's pretty solid. Cool little Jesus piece pendant. The bail should be like 12 millimeters. So that should fit one of my chains. So right there it says Gonzo on the back. It's pretty cool how they had it custom made for my YouTube name. And then it's really small, but on the bail on the back, it says Born Real Jewelry, so like the logo. All right, so I'm gonna try this on with the chain and see how it looks. But I'm pretty excited. This is so cool. It's a really good size too. It's like super, it looks good for like casual, like to casually wear it. And in the sun, it dances, so that's pretty sick. All right, so right now you see it just going on my chain. Nice. I like this. Super sleek. I feel like this would suit a rope chain better, but I mean, the pendant is like perfect. It sits right in the center of your chest. Chain could be a little distracting, but like I said, maybe a rope chain, but I mean, this is so cool. This fits Very nice. Shines like crazy. I love this. Yeah, this is like a perfect low-key piece. This is like nothing too crazy, just some a real slight jewelry piece right here. Looks pretty sick. I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and diamond test this and shine test it, and we're gonna go from there. And I'll let you know my final thoughts. But overall, I mean, this looks pretty sick. The build quality too it feels very nice. The bail doesn't flail around that much, so it's pretty solid. And then the polish is like really good. And then here's just another look on my chest, how it sits, and like this is just how big it is. So this looks really good with the black t-shirt. Like always, I'm gonna use the same diamond tester. So this thing has good quality stones all around. All right, so here's just another up close. So it weighs 18.5 grams. So it's got a pretty reasonable weight. All right, so this is the flash test. The flash is making these stones pop out, especially the bail. Overall, this is a really sick piece. Born Real never disappoints. Their stone quality is always great. They use high quality moissanite stones. All these nice colors that are popping out. This tiny little piece is dancing like crazy. And this is just the sunlight test. Take a look at this polish right here. It's smooth all around. And then here's what I was talking about with the logo that was on the bail. So I think that was a nice touch that they added. And it says Gonzo right there. So you can get your name or your company logo or anything like that engraved on the back. So overall, my final thoughts on this, I think the piece came out really nice. You can get anything you want engraved on the back, so I think that a piece like this is super customizable, especially when you go with Born Real jewelry. They can do all that stuff, and their pieces come out really nice. This is clearly handmade with precision. The polish is really nice. So a lot of things about this piece are super customizable. So if you ever wanted to get your own, you can get your own name, you can change the bail. Any questions you may have, just reach out to me. Reach out to the manufacturer, Born Real Jewelry. Solid people. They always hook it up, and they always come out with some great pieces. This is one of their newest pieces. I love it. So thank you so much, Born Real Jewelry. I think the shirt came out nice. Definitely gonna wear it. I can't wait to wear this piece. It's gonna look super nice, paired up with a smaller chain. It's got like different color, it's got different size stones to fit the cross. So some stones are bigger than others, which I feel like it makes this chain shine a little bit more. But yeah, I can't wait to wear this piece. And I appreciate you guys for watching, so thank you.